Okay, Lincoln fans, or luxury car fans in general, take a look at this 1973 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. This car came into us just as you see it, and listen to this. It has 5,000 actual original miles. And as we go around the car, you will see that it definitely shows that it's actual. This car is a bit of a time capsule, if you will. Original paint, original interior, original everything. This car is powered by its 460 V8, which gives these cars plenty of power. Take a look down the side there. The vinyl top on this car is impeccable. No rips, no tears, no dry rot. Very, very sharp car. I know sometimes pictures and videos can make a car look better than it really is. This car is as good or better than it looks in the pictures. Again, 5,000 actual miles on this car. No rust issues or anything like that. Original paint. And of course it runs and drives as good as it looks. This car came into us from a sizable car collector in our area, and all of his stuff is this nice, and this is one of the best. There's literally no wear spots on this car that I've been able to find, on the interior or the exterior for that matter. In fact, if you go to the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com, this exact car, the color combination and everything, is on the center fold of the factory brochure in 1973. It's kind of a neat piece. So, as I mentioned, 5,006 to be exact, actual miles on the car. And of course, it's got all the Lincoln goodies. The dash, the console, or excuse me, the fold-down armrests are in good shape. They're not all frayed and wearing funny or anything like that. Absolutely incredible car. I'm gonna get out, open the hood, fire it up for you guys.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, we've got the hood open out there, as you can see. We'll fire it up in a minute. I just wanted to show you even the clock is working. Also, I'm gonna turn the key on, and the glorious buzzer that they used. If I open the door, it does still work. You'll hear that in a minute. You can see the fuel gauge sweeping there. Also, notice out the window there, the power antenna. I'm running that right now. That works as well. All right, let's fire her up. There we go. Let's go take a peek outside. As I mentioned, under the hood, this car is powered by its original 460 V8, and everything appears to be original under here, perhaps except for the battery. If you look, a lot of the original stickers, these are not reproduction or restored, these are original. I'll show you some more on the other side here. And of course, it's running nice and smooth as it should. It's kind of neat, even down on the block, the E is still down there. A few other marks on the valve cover. So, as you can see, this car absolutely shows the 5,000 miles actual on it. Once again, be sure to take a look at all the still pictures on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, trade-ins are always considered, financing is available, and extended warranties are available to protect your purchase as well.